Question 26 gives us the polynomial equation x squared plus bx plus 16 equals 0. We're asked for what value of b does the equation have exactly one solution. There are a few ways to solve this problem, but the most straightforward way involves using what's called the discriminant. The discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. You might recognize b squared minus 4ac from the quadratic formula. In the quadratic formula, you take the square root of b squared minus 4ac. For the discriminant, however, you do not need to use a radical. There are three cases. The discriminant can be greater than 0, the discriminant can be equal to 0, or the discriminant can be less than 0. And each of these cases tells us something different. If the discriminant is greater than 0, it means that the quadratic has two real solutions. If the discriminant is exactly 0, it means that there is one real solution. And if the discriminant is less than 0, it means that there are no real solutions, which implies that there must be two imaginary solutions. Overall, keep in mind that the discriminant cannot tell you what the solutions are. It just tells you the nature and number of the solutions. How many are there, and are they real or imaginary? If we calculate the value of the discriminant for this question, we get d equals b squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. And we want this to be equal to 0, since the question is asking for one real solution. Solving for b then, we get b squared minus 64 equals 0, or b squared equals 64. At this point, you have to be careful. When you take the square root of both sides in an equation like this one, you have to take the positive and negative square root, which means that there are two possible values of b for which the equation has just one solution, positive 8 and negative 8.